Hey, Topping in Life's Math Industry, and we are gonna take a look at solve for y in terms of x. So in this video, we're gonna understand what that means, because how can you find y when you have to find x at the same time? So here's an example. When you say, and when you hear solve for y in terms of x, you're probably like, okay, what do I do? What does this even mean? Well, what it's really mean is isolate y and get x on the other side. So, in this case scenario, we have to isolate the y variable, like a literal equation, literally. So what we can do to get that y alone is subtract by 2x and subtract by 2x on that side. So we have negative 5y equals 13 minus 2x. Divide by negative 5 and divide by negative 5, and we get y equals 13 minus 2x divided by negative 5. That is the correct answer. But if your teacher wants you to put it in slope-intercept form, then we would have to turn it into y equals negative 2x divided by negative 5 is going to be 2 over 5, negative 2 over 5x. And we have to do 13 divided by negative 5, negative 13 over 5. That is in its slope-intercept form. So if your teacher wants you to put it in slope-intercept form, then this would be the correct answer. These two are the same, but this one's in a different form. Let's try another one. Instead of solving for y in terms of x, why can't we just try solve for x in terms of y? So in this case scenario, we're going to try to isolate the x variable and put y on the other side. We'll show you why this happens. So we have to add by 5y and add by 5y. 2x equals 13 plus 5y. Divide by 2, divide everything by 2. So we get x is going to equal 13 plus 5y divided by 2. But if you want to try to put that in the slope-intercept form equation, just like that one, then what we can do is that we can't do anything about it. When we're doing slope-intercept equations, it has to be y equals mx plus b. However, it's a y variable, not an x variable. So this is going to be our final answer. We cannot change it to another form. So that is how we can solve and understand the misconfusion when it says solve for y in terms of x and solve for x in terms of y. So, clarification success, or communication error complete. Thank you for watching Topping in Life's Math Industry. Like and subscribe. I hope this video has helped you.